In this video, I will tell you about books for economics honors, which is one of the most important structure for economics honors examination. That what books will be preferable. First, coming with the micro. In microeconomics, the first reading should be from Principles of Economics, Mankey. Sixth edition onward, you can take any book. The book's main portion is the exercise is really very good. You need to solve all the exercises, okay? But the reading part is not that much elaborately provided, and this portion, Principles of Economics portion, is micro, and this is also referred in the macroeconomics section as well, because it has two parts for the 36 chapters. Okay, the first 22 dedicated on this, and the next 16 chapters is dedicated on the macroeconomics section. And then comes the micro-zerically advanced book, that is called Pindike and Mogenfeld. This one is a very good book. This book also has a good elaborate analysis, and along with some of the very good examples, especially numerical in the consumer structure, in the market structure, and this also has a very good part of the game theory, which this book is missing. Okay, and then for another one book is very good. This is Madler and Miller. But the problem of this book is it doesn't have any exercise, but explanations are good. But if you really want to know about the theoretical section with a very elaborate analysis, with the advanced analysis where you can directly write, the best book is Burdwan's. This person has written a very fabulous book on microeconomics. So these are the four, and one more advanced book, that's Laird and Walter. This is also good. I wouldn't prefer Ferguson Gold that much. Okay, so these are the 4 and 5 books which will be preferable in most of the cases. Now going to the macro segment. In macroeconomics, you obviously start with again Mankey. Mankey written a book solely on macroeconomics. Most of the cases, this book has a very good exercise, and the Principles of Economics also has a macro segment that is also very good. So these are the 2 books of Mankey, and after that there is a very good book written by Freud. And there is also called Branson. These are your books, but this doesn't have no exercise in this, no questions, and Freud is really good, especially for competitive level economics examinations. So these 4 books and the principles. Now there is another book which is written by R.G.D. Allen. This also has a very good macroeconomic conceptual background. This you can aware. Next is mathematical economics, mathematical segment. This one is a very crucial segment, so the first reading is obviously Chiang. Go for the 4th edition, because with respect, many of the teachers say 3rd edition, but I would say 4th edition, because 4th edition has some of the exercises are extra questions. But if you really want to know, study all by your own on this without the teacher's help, then this is not the starting point. This exercise is good, but the book's explanation is not always very satisfactory. Then you go for this Shom's outline of mathematical economics. This book is priced around 1,500, but you can get it from your library and get it photocopied, or sometimes you can directly borrow or get the PDF. So these 2 books are the very good starting, and then there is a very advanced book called Silver Bar. This is for competitive level, not for honors level, but for advanced mathematical, there is another book called Anderson and Kwan. Very good book. The book considers all the microeconomic concepts of application with respect to mathematical eco. So these are the 4 titles which will be very helpful. Okay, and except this, the exercises, this book have all questions solved. This book have a very good exercise, but relatively some of the questions are very tough to be solved, and Henderson also have the even problem solved. So this is the structure of the books of mathematical economics. Okay, now coming to the statistics book. See, in statistics, Enjidas did a good job. But the problem with Enjidas book is the questions are given and the explanations are, but this is only a basic level. For the advanced proofs, you go for this book, Gupta and Kapoor. This has a very good proof for groups of statistics. The name is, there are 2 parts. One is applied statistics and this is a mathematical statistics. This one is a Western publication, this one is a very good book. These 2 books if you prefer, so this will solve your problem, and obviously after that you have to do it, and the exercises of those books is very good, the exercise books. So these are the 4 topics which we will be covering. In the next video I will tell you about some of the other topics like international trade, like public finance, like Indian economy, and what to the books to be prepared on that. Till now.